welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm going to show you how I clean my face and show you the new products that I am using. So let's get started. Alrighty, so the first thing I do is I grab one of these headbands and I put them on. I got this one at the Dollar Tree, so come on. And I grab my hair on the back. Like that. So I keep my hair out of my face. And then I have these wristbands. And I put them here so the water doesn't come dripping down here. Which they work amazingly. So this is how it goes. So the products that I'm going to be using. This is the Jafra Royal Gentle Cleansing Milk. This is the one that I use. And then I'm going to use this so I can rub the face. After I'm washing my face, I'm going to use this cleansing water from also Jafra Royal Boost. And then I'm going to be using a face serum. This is the product that I use. It's from Pro Care. It's from Jafra also. So this is the product. This is the face serum. It's like vegan kind of style. Not vegetarian, vegan. So this is vegan. And then I'll be using the Novo Marine face cream. This is the one that I use. It's also from Jafra. And then for my dark circles, I use the Jafra BioLab Eye Serum. It's the one that I use. And then the next step, I use a Jafra Royal eye cream. This is for the wrinkles that I have here. It's also from Jafra. And the last thing I use is also from Jafra, Sun 50% face cream. So it's like a sunblock that I use. So, and I also need a towel. So I'm going to go ahead and take the glasses off. And I'm just going to grab water and just put it on my face like that. It's nice and warm like that. And then grab this, wet it a little bit, and use my cleansing and just put it on like that, just like that. Not too much, just like that. Wet it a little bit, and then just do and cleanse away. Don't forget your nose. Don't do it too. I don't do it too hard. Just slightly gentle. It feels so good to wash your face in the morning. Oh, it feels amazing. I feel more awake. I like to get my nose. Okay, and then I'm gonna wash my face and cleanse all this off, and I'll be back. Okay, now that my face is washed, I'm gonna grab my cloth, and we're just gonna begin to tap. Don't go like this because that's gonna hurt your face. Just tap, 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 tap. Make it really dry, really good. Okay, now I'm gonna take these off because I don't need them anymore. And then I'm gonna grab a cotton swab, and I'm gonna use the toner. And this is like that. I'm just gonna. This is so good. I'm gonna get the eyes. This doesn't hurt. Doesn't burn. It's cleansing water. It's like a toner. Now I had a pimple right here. So, and now we just wait until my face gets dry. If you have a fan, that's better, but I don't have a fan right now. I'm just gonna use my hands. So let's just wait until it dries. So it's nice and dry. Now I'm gonna go with my face serum like that, just like that, and then grab it and start placing it all over and just rub. My face does not get greasy with the face serum. There's other face serums that I do get really greasy in my face, and I don't like that because I already have oily skin. So adding more oil to the skin is not great. So now I like to do this. Okay, after that I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and add the face cream. Isn't this cute? Open it. I'm gonna grab and just dot, 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 dot. I like to put on the nose and here. And then just rub it all in. I like to do the nose too, so. Alright. Oh, feels so good. Now, I'm going to use the eye cream for my dark circles. I used to have really bad dark circles. This is lining up. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to add right here. And then I think I added a lot of, of eye cream. Sometimes I add a lot and then I'm like, oh my god. And I can't see because I don't have my glasses with me. I am so like, I need glasses. I can't see without them. But this is what I do. I just go like this. And don't forget the top too. Right here on the eyelids. And I just go like this. Until the skin absorbs the eye cream. And like that. And I used to really have dark circles. I have them light right now, which is good. And then I just like to do tap, tap, tap. Like that. And then this is for the wrinkles that I have here. So if I smile, you can see the little wrinkles. This is what I do right here. Watch. Just like that. I don't use a lot. Not really necessary to use a lot of it. So now I'm just gonna rub. And then I'm just gonna put it on the wrinkles that I have under my eyes. Because you guys can see if I smile, you see that wrinkle? Yeah. Yeah, it's the signs of getting old. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I just do this right here so the skin absorbs it like that. Okay, and the last thing is to add the sunscreen, because it says you have to add the sunscreen. And it's sunny right now, so this is how much I add. And I just tap. I do the skin, and the rest I do it on the on the arms. Now you can use it all over your face or whatever. Yeah. And then rub. So if I ever go outside when it's sunny, my face doesn't get sunburned. So oh my god, I feel so good. I'm so wide awake right now. It's like so that's my face routine that I do every morning. If I don't do it every morning, I do it at night. Sometimes if I forget to wash my face in the morning, I do it at night. So this is the face products that I use. Everything's from Jafra. It's really good for my skin. I love it. I don't want to try any other face creams or anything because I love this product. It's absolutely amazing. It's how I get my face to be nice and clean. So I hope you guys like it, and if you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on the social medias down below. Also put them in the description box, and comment, like, whatever you guys want. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.